Hello guys, welcome to Angular Materials series, and I hope you're all doing great. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use input fields of Angular Material in your Angular project. So open your browser, your favorite browser, either Google Chrome or Firefox, Safari, and type Angular Materials, and this is the official website where you can use Angular Materials. Click on that and click on component. Here on the left side we have all components such as buttons, such as card, checkbox, and whatever. And today I'm going to show you how to use input fields such as first name, last name, and so this is the official website, and let me open my project, my Visual Studio Code, and I'm going to delete everything from here. Control S, and let's run the ng serve, run the Angular project. Okay, and let me see, localhost. As you can see, we have nothing in our project, and now I will show you how to use input fields in your Angular project such as this. So the first thing that you should do is go to API and add this import in your app module, and copy this, Control C, and go to your Angular project, app module.ts. You should add the import here, Control V, see, mat input modules, and you should add in your import array too, such as mat input module. As you can see, I import mat input module from Angular Materials here and add in your import array, as you can see this. So this is the first thing that you should do. And now go back and click on overview, click on here, view code, and copy this, Control C, and you should open your app component.html and paste it here, Control S. Now let's see the output. As you can see, this is the input field. You can type, and this here you can write comments and something like that. That's very easy how to use Angular input materials. So I hope you will like it. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section, and I will be very happy to help you out with that. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.